Open the freezer door and pull it out. Pull out the top sliding upper drawer and lift it off the top rails and set aside. With both hands, slightly pull the freezer door upward to lift it out of the bottom rails and remove it. Then take out the bottom drawer from the rail guides and set it aside. Place the front of the door on a flat surface with the rail guides facing upward. Start at the corner and carefully pull the old gasket out of the gasket groove until it is completely removed. Ensure the gasket lip on the new gasket is at the top of the door. Begin inserting the gasket into the top groove starting at the corner. Press the gasket into the groove, making sure it is completely pushed in all around the door. With the freezer door in the upright position, reinstall the lower drawer, ensuring it sits on the guide rails. Line up the two guide rail wheels on both sides. Then slightly lift upward to ensure that the wheels align with the rails. Push inward to make sure the drawer slides in properly. Then slide in the upper drawer in the same manner as the lower drawer.